Hello friends, so let's just start now. Today I will show you how to format text in HTML. So I have a new editor called Atom Editor. Notepad was good, but this have more features which we will see in the future. So it will be very much helpful if you download this. Otherwise, Notepad is a good option. You can also use Notepad++. Let us see how we can download this. This is a free software, so every one of you can download this. You just need to go to the Google Chrome and type Atom, and the first link which will come will be of the Atom. It will be better if you write Atom HTML. You see the page opens. When we write Atom HTML, the first thing comes is of atom.io, which is the link for this software. So you just can download the software for free from this website. So now let's start making an website. This is really very much helpful so that you can see there the colors of the tags used. You can use PHP in this software also. CSS for HTML will be very much helpful in this software. In future tutorials, I will show you how to use CSS in HTML. So now, today's tutorial will just see the basic HTML structure. Last day I showed you how to make a page ready for the first time in HTML, and today I will show you how to do the font formatting. So let's start Atom. So here starts our software. For the first thing, you need to clear all these tabs. See, I have written a HTML file here. If you want to see the context of the file, so this is the file. You can go to the folder and just see how it works. See, this is the page I made, a very simple page. And see, I will not show you all this linking and all this today, but I will show you the text formatting, the horizontal row, and all this today. So let's start. So to create a new file in this, go to new file, and it will be created. For the first time, if you do not have any folder, so you have to choose the folder. So choose a correct folder for it, then start. Last day we started with HTML. So in this software we have to first save the file, as if we do not, will not be able to see the progress in the tags. So you press Ctrl S for saving the file. You can just go and save it to the folder you want. For the instant, I'm saving it to the desktop. So let's go to the desktop and save it in this HTML root. File name you can give and save it. Now see, you can see that HTML is now colored, so we can easily see this. You need to close it. Now this is the HTML4 language, but if we want to use the latest language, that is HTML5, we need to include more tag, which is doc UI doc type, and before using doc type you need to give exclamation mark, which will make your HTML program work. Doc type HTML. It should be in small letter. Never make any mistakes in writing this doc type HTML. It's most important thing. Now just close this, and now you can start with your HTML5 program. So let's start. Last day we knew about head, the title, and today before title I'll show you one more tag which will help you to add all the characters which you will be needing in this HTML file. So just copy that too. That is meta character set equal to UTF-8. And after that you can start with the classic process, that is title, HTML page formatting. Today's title, close the title. तो इसके बाद let's come to the body tag. Start the body and close it. See, you have been noticing that this software is giving us all the suggestions for our tags. So every time we do not need to give each and every details or each and every spelling, we can just enter it when the suggestion comes. Just let us give some basic body tags attributes. So that is pg color equal to, you can give any color. Let me choose sky blue. And remember, don't forget to avoid spaces while giving this type of text, because spaces can separate them out and HTML will not recognize that. So now let's write the tag. In the last tutorial itself, I showed you the first thing about the formatting of text. I said you about H1, that are headings. तो आज हम देखेंगे उसके साथ साथ कुछ और, जैसे कि फॉन्ट। अभी जैसे कि मैंने पिछले में दिखाया था, उसमें फॉन्ट्स डिफरेंट थे, कुछ फॉन्ट्स डिफरेंट थे। उस फॉन्ट के डिफरेंशिएशन को हम कैसे बनाएंगे, हाउ विल वी मेक थिंग द फॉन्ट, दैट स्टाइल we'll learn today. So let's start with the H1 and then write the heading, my second HTML page. So now let's close the H1. So after writing this page, let's get the output in the desktop. You choose the web browser you need. not showing the correct output. Let's see what happened. Okay, so we did a mistake that we need to save it with the extension .html. So let's just rename it first HTML.html. इसे याद रखिएगा, ये गलती कभी मत करिए। देखिए, this is the output. You may have just imagined what the output should be. Now let's start with our program once again. This was the basic of our program. We also learned about the alignment, that we can use center, so that to bring this to the center. If we, after saving it, go to the file and again refresh it, you can see here we centered. So after this, let's see how can we do, what can we do if we want to change the font of this tag. For changing the font, the whole body, you can just use one other attribute into this body tag, but it will change the whole HTML programs. Our web page is text. It was same. So let's do it outside the body tag. So for that, there is a tag called font, F-O-N-T, font tag. In this font tag, you can just give the font color, font type, font face. For example, if you give font face equal to, for the font face, you can just go to your word processor like MS Word. Let's type it there, MS Word, MS. Okay, let's find it. MS Word, MS Word. See, it's there. In the MS Word, you just type something, or just you can go there, choose the favorite font of yours like this, copy the text from here, control copy, and then paste it. You need to close the font tag for not influencing any other things. For the instant you shall not, but if you are writing any other things inside this, you have to do it. Again, let's just save it and see what our output is. So now you can see the font of the page or the title has changed to our font. So now we learned about the font face. So what if I want to change this color to something else like red? So for that, you can use another font tag, that is font color, and remember, don't use any COLOUR for this, because this is HTML. Font color equal to red. Now let's again save it. Lost the file, but it's right there. See, now the color has changed. But writing this font tags many times, you have to close them many times, it can cause a chaos. So there is a system in HTML that you can write this inside the font tag itself. So you can write COR equal to red. and then just close one font tag. So this was our font, very much simple font formatting of HTML. After this, I want to show you something which will be requiring many times. For example, after writing this, if I write anything like I am having fun creating HTML PAGES. Let's see what the output is. Refresh it. See, we came there because this was title. But if after this we write something like what's your so now let's see what's the output for this. Just refresh it. See, it came in the same line. Last day I maybe have showed you the break tag, but today I'm showing you something else, that is the paragraph. I said that the break tag was for breaking it and it was just an empty tag, but what if we just want a paragraph and want something similar in that paragraph? Like if we use this p tag inside the paragraph, this will change to two individual paragraphs, and this is a container tag, so we can use many different attributes for it. See, now let's see our output. Refresh it. See that now it's in the next line. They both are different paragraphs, but if now we can give more attributes to the paragraph tag, like right. Now let's see what's the output. It's not changed. Font equal to that. I think it's not working, but I just want to demonstrate that inside the font tag inside the paragraph tag you can change the different types of paragraphs, and you can make many paragraphs having same type of things. So font it's not responding. Let it respond. So now let's just see the output. See, I used the paragraph tag for changing the color of this paragraph, and then again also for changing the text face of this paragraph. So that's all for today's class. In the next few classes I will show you to few more interesting things in HTML. Let's see some of them. We will learn doing all these interesting things. We will learn this mark you, let's moving the text from one side to other. We'll do this horizontal row. Also, let's learn about vertical row, and also adding uh, adding hyperlinks to the text very soon. So wait for the next class, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.